It's on and secured. Oh, nice and tight.
Rockstar, my swag on just
Perfect. What's up, y'all? It's your boy M34 back with another video, and today's gonna be a real simple, quick video. Today I'm installing my Walden FPR, my fuel pressure regulator. Like I told y'all in my last video, I'm trying to get this ball rolling with the car. I'm trying to like cook with gas. I'm trying to keep it going. So that's what I'm doing today. I already went ahead and pre-drilled 2 holes on the driver strut tower. That's actually where I'm gonna be mounting this. I actually have to put the bracket on so I can show you guys me doing that real quick and then installing or attempting to install the FPR bracket onto the chassis, all right? Hit that like, hit that subscribe. It's your boy M34. Of course, get your bracket, install it on your FPR. FPR comes with 2 holes in the back, and that's where you would basically screw your bracket on. I went and bought me some Allen keys because you need Allen keys to do this. For this one in particular, you need a 5mm Allen key for the big ones. And then the small one is probably, big ones are 5, the small one is probably like, let me see, it's probably like 3 millimeters. Let's find out. Nope, it's not 3, so it's 4, because 3 is a little too small. So now you got your bracket on the back of your FPR. Two holes I made for the fuel pressure regulator. I put it on the driver strut. I went through with a small bit first, and I went through with a bigger bit on the second round, but I'm gonna reach underneath here so I can lock that FPR on there. I already turned the steering wheel, so I just gotta reach under there now. Alright, so I'll try to show y'all what I did. See, I used the Allen key to hold the screw in, and turn it while I held on to the nylon lock, well, the nylon nut, and turned it. It wasn't that hard to hold my hand, but yeah, just gotta do one more, and then that's secured on. And look at these D2s, man. I had these D2s on this car for years. This is my first suspension upgrade after, like, I had Bilsteins on this. Right, let's tighten up that last lock. Oh, shit. All right, guys, so there y'all have it. FPR is on and secured. Oh, nice and tight. Perfect. I already got the block offs for it. I'm running the feed. It's gonna come down here, run down there. This is gonna be, oh sorry, this is gonna be the feed. It's gonna come from the fuel rail over here. And then the return, which is -6. So I'm doing -6, -8. That's my fuel line setup for this car, so yeah. In the E36, I haven't sat in this car in so long, it's ridiculous. It smells like gas because I got my gas tank open because I'm doing over the fuel pump, so I'm running a Rally Road dual fuel pump. So yeah, you guys just see me install my fuel pressure regulator. So that's the setup I'm be running. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, because I'm gonna have to install those lines, those fuel lines, but I'm gonna get Fabe to help me with those, because yeah, I'm gonna need help with that. That's gonna be my first time doing that. But my next video, I got my Stewart water pump. I'm gonna install that. I also got a new aluminum water pump pulley that I got to install. So hit that like, hit that subscribe. You already know it's your boy M3 Ferg. Thanks for watching, y'all.